So for combinations, we're going to use the formula a lot. We're going to decide, first of all, is it a permutation question or a combination question by thinking about the order. So sometimes it's not going to tell you which type of question, even though this one says how many combinations, and it does tell you. Sometimes you're going to have to decide, does the order matter or does the order not matter? Because that's going to decide if it's a permutation question, where we use all the strategies we've learned so far, or a combination question. For this one's a combination question, so we have 80 numbers to choose from, and we choose 20 of them. Again, find the choose button on your calculator. And it's a very, very big number. So your chances of getting all 20 numbers right are very, very rare. Same thing with Lotto 649. The way that works is you choose 6 numbers from 49. The order doesn't matter. If you choose the right 6 numbers, you win the jackpot. It says it's 35 million, you win the 35 million, just hoping nobody else also picked the right numbers. But if we do 49 choose 6, it's 13,983,816. Okay? You are more likely to flip a coin and get heads 23 times in a row than you are to win the lottery. 24 times in a row, then it's more likely to win the lottery. Okay? Don't go home and start flipping coins. See, can I get 23 in a row? Oh, start again. Okay, you'll be there for hours because your chances of doing it 23 times in a row are 1 in 8 million. So not very good. But the chances of winning the lottery are 1 in 13, almost 1 in 14 million. How come there's a winner? The idea is, if 14 million people play, chances are someone might win. Because there's that many people playing. But then some weeks or some months there's not a winner, so then it gets bumped onto the next, and the prize money gets higher. As the prize money gets higher, what happens? More people buy. So then your chances are that, if 40 million people buy tickets, someone's going to get it. Even though it's really unlikely, every single person has a 1 in 14 million chance, but chances are someone would get it. Yes?
It's kind of like how people say that every 1 in 4 accidents are caused by people texting on their phones. That they're like, oh, I won't be that. But then the lottery comes up and it's like 1 in 14 million chance.
Yeah.
Who knows? Maybe it'll be me.
Well, and part of the idea with basically what you're doing is when you pay, I think it's $2 now to buy a ticket. When you pay that $2, what you're really paying for is, if you buy it 3 days before they pick the numbers, you pay for 3 days to daydream, right? You can daydream that this ticket is the winning ticket, and you can imagine all the things you could do with that amount of money. And if that's worth $2 to you, that daydream, then that's money well spent. If you, imagine all the amazing things you'd have, and that's so much fun, then perfect. Then it was $2 well spent. If you're spending your money saying, I have to win this lottery, that's not going to happen. You're not going to win. Right? The chances are very, very, very unlikely that you're going to win. Right? People like to humor themselves? Like here. What card did I pick? Okay. Did anybody get it right?
Nope. Dave,
No. That's only 1 in 52. Right? That's this is 1 in 14 million. When someone pulls a card out of the deck and say, you've got to guess this right, you're like, there's no chance of me doing that. It's so easy. Yes. Okay, I will come check what your error is. The numbers for this one are 4, 5, and 7.